Hello students and welcome to the YouTube classes of Lalbagh Girls. This is Ekta ma'am and today I am taking up a lecture for class 5th students. My subject for today is SST. In my previous lectures I have discussed about the first chapter, which is the globe, and in the next video I have discussed the exercises of the chapter. In this lecture also I am going to do the next exercises, which is the true and false and the fill in the blanks. So just quickly get started with the video. So students, this is your exercise C, which is the true and false. So let us quickly one by one do all the true and false together. The first one, the imaginary line dividing the earth into two equal halves is called the equator. The answer is true. You will write T in this block. The second one, Ferdinand Magellan, who sailed around the earth, was a Portuguese sailor. So the second one is also true, students. Third one, the earth's surface is made up of water and land. The answer to this is also true. Fourth one, Greenwich is situated near London in Britain. This is false. In the fourth one, you will write F. Fifth one day is added as we cross the international date line from west to east. The answer to this is false. You will write F for false in this block. The sixth one, grids of latitudes and longitudes help us to find the location of any place on the globe. The answer to this one is true. You will write T in the last block. So students, now we move forward to the D exercise, which is the fill in the blanks. Students, this is the last exercise of your chapter number 1. So let us quickly do this exercise also. The first one, the grid help us to locate any place on the globe. In this blank you will write place. Look at the spelling which is clearly shown in the picture. The second one, the Pacific Ocean is the largest of all the oceans. In the second blank, you will write Pacific. You can clearly again look in the picture and see the spelling. Pacific, Pacific. Now coming forward to the third one. All the longitudes are equal in length. In this blank you will write equal, EQUAL. The fourth one, the equator is the biggest of all the latitudes. BIGGEST, the spelling of biggest. The fifth one and the last one is the 66.5 degree north is to the north from the equator. In this blank you will write north, NORTH. I hope you are clear with both the exercises which are done in this lecture. Please see the lecture properly so that you don't find any problem in doing any of the exercises. Please remember that in your book you will be using only pencils and no pens are to be used in the books. Properly please watch the video and do the exercises correctly. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. Thank you.